Welcome to Quantum Manifest, Luxury Life. In this intriguing video, we explore a mysterious encounter that took place deep in the forest. Join me as I recount the strange and mystical experience of a friendly bumblebee that repeatedly visited me while I was working with my excavator. Was it merely a coincidence, or could this have been a sign from the universe? The encounter. It was a typical day working in the forest with my excavator. The tranquil sounds of nature surrounded me as I dug into the earth, creating a drainage system. Suddenly, a bumblebee appeared and entered my excavator. The bumblebee's behavior. This wasn't an ordinary bumblebee encounter. Despite my efforts to gently remove it, the bumblebee returned multiple times, each time more persistent than before. What was remarkable was its demeanor, calm and unthreatening. It wasn't angry or aggressive, just quietly insistent on staying with me. Symbolism of the bumblebee. Persistence and determination. Bumblebees are renowned for their hard work and relentless determination. This encounter might symbolize the importance of persistence in your current projects or life goals. The bumblebee's return, despite being removed, highlights the need to keep going, even when faced with obstacles. Harmony and balance. Bumblebees play a crucial role in pollination, contributing to the balance and harmony of ecosystems. This encounter could be a reminder to bring more balance and harmony into your life, whether through work, relationships, or personal well-being. Adaptability and flexibility. The calm and friendly nature of the bumblebee suggests adaptability and a gentle approach to challenges. It encourages you to remain calm and adaptable, embracing changes with a positive attitude. Connection to nature. Encountering the bumblebee in the forest emphasizes your connection to nature. It serves as a reminder of the importance of respecting and protecting the environment, and finding peace and guidance in natural settings. Possible messages and interpretations. Stay persistent. The bumblebee's behavior could be encouraging you to persist in your endeavors. No matter how many times you're faced with setbacks, keep pushing forward with determination. Embrace harmony. Reflect on how you can bring more balance and harmony into your life. Consider your work-life balance, relationships, and overall well-being. Aim to contribute positively to your surroundings. Adapt and be flexible. The bumblebee's calm demeanor in the face of being moved multiple times teaches the value of adaptability. Embrace flexibility in your life and remain calm when facing challenges. Connect with nature. Spend more time in nature to reconnect with its calming and guiding presence. This encounter may be a sign to appreciate and protect the natural world around you. Practical takeaways. Reflect on your path. Think about areas in your life where persistence and determination are crucial. Reflect on any challenges you're facing and how you can approach them with a positive and persistent mindset. Seek balance. Look for ways to create more balance in your life. This might involve setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, or finding ways to contribute to the harmony of your community and environment. Stay adaptable. Practice flexibility in your daily life. Be open to new ideas, embrace change, and find peaceful solutions to conflicts. Connect with nature. Spend more time outdoors and engage in activities that connect you with the natural world. This could be hiking, gardening, or simply taking a walk in the forest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mysterious tales and spiritual insights. Let's uncover the secrets of the universe together.